Good morning. This morning we are going to do a science experiment with milk, food coloring, and dish soap. I hope that you guys enjoy this. When I found it, I got really excited, so I hope you guys get excited about it too, and I really hope that it works. To start with, I gathered all of my materials, and I'm just going to pour a little bit of milk into the bottom of my container that I have. Just enough to cover the bottom. And then next, I'm going to take food coloring and put drops around my bowl. Oh, my container. And I'm going to do 2 drops of each color throughout my container. And I'm kind of going to separate them in the opposite directions. One of the websites I found said to put them all really close together and the other one to spread it all throughout the container. So I'm going to spread mine out. If you guys do decide to put yours really close together, I would love to see your results to see how they differ. I have one left, the yellow. Okay, and then the next step is to just take and put some dish soap on a Q-tip. So I'm gonna put a little bit of dish soap into my little container here, just so it's easier to get on the end of here. I'm gonna coat it really well. And then I'm going to put it into my milk. I can't wait to see what happens when I put my dish soap covered cotton swab Q-tip into the milk. And I'm going to hold it in the same spot, pressing down for about 15 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. As you can see, mine didn't really do anything. If I put it over in the food coloring, it does spread out. Let's see if I put it in another one if it will do more. So with the almond milk, if I put it directly on the food coloring dots, it will spread out and move the food coloring. But when I put it in the middle of the container, it does not do anything. So I thought I would try this again. Instead of having the almond milk, I'm going to use my 2% milk since it has more fat in it than the almond milk does. So just like before, I'm going to take and put a little bit of milk in the bottom of my container just to cover it. And then I'm going to take and do my drops of food coloring. I'm gonna put 2 green. And 2 red. And this is also a great time to talk about the colors you're using, how many you're putting in of each, counting the shapes that are going into the milk. Now I'm going to do yellow. And I can already see that these are spreading out more in my milk than it was with my almond milk. So I'm hopeful that this will work better. And now do blue. And just like before, I'm going to take and put some dish soap on the bottom of my Q-tip. And I have it fully coated. I'm not sure if you can quite see that. And then I am going to put it into the milk. So as you can see that with the 2% milk, it is already spreading more than it did with the almond milk. And here is how covered I have my Q-tip, and I'm just going to put it into the milk just like I did for last time, and I'm going to count to 15 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And as you can see, it is really moving around, and the food coloring is actually almost running away from the soap on my Q-tip. And in the link, you guys will see that I did post a link to a website that fully explains this better. So as you can see, if you keep moving it, it will keep going away from the dish soap. I hope that if you guys try this, you have just as much fun with it as I did, and I can't wait to see pictures or videos of your family trying this activity out. Have a great afternoon.